So if you have a tapered paintbrush, and it doesn't have to be like crazy taper, just like a slight taper, it'll work pretty well. And then just like the pulled handle, you get a piece, you start shaping it into like a bit of a carrot. The difference with this is I usually try to make it like fairly flat on the top, just so I have less cleanup later. But this is kind of the shape I'm starting with for my spout. And then what you do is get the narrow end of the paintbrush handle, put it directly in the middle, okay? So it goes directly in the middle, and then you slowly just twist that through, trying to keep it in the middle so it comes out directly in the middle and the front. Like so. That's pretty much in the middle there. I'll push it a little bit further. So now my piece of clay is wrapped around my paintbrush, and now all I have to do is roll it back and forth, just like I'm rolling a coil, but because the paintbrush is tapered, the clay will release away from it, and then I'll have basically a hollow tube that I can use as a spout. And the longer the paintbrush, the longer the spout you can make. You can kind of see how it's coming away from the brush on this end too. Alright. And what I like to do before I take the paintbrush off is I like to cut it a little bit down so it's a little bit cleaner. So I'm just taking the X-Acto and cutting it. Then I won't worry about the back end because I'm going to cut that right before I attach it to a teapot. Now I'm ready to slide this out. Now I have a hollow tube. Yep, there you go. You can see.